We're making baked ube donuts because if we bake it, that means we can eat more, right? Hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to this channel where you learn how to make Filipino food with easily accessible ingredients. If you want to take on the challenge of cooking one Filipino dish a week for 4 weeks, click the link in the description below. Let's get started. We're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a large bowl, followed by 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until fully combined. Next, we'll combine the wet ingredients. In a bowl that's larger than this measuring cup I decided to use, combine 1 1/4 cup whole milk, 1 egg, make sure you whisk that egg up, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons ube extract. Once you whisk the wet ingredients well, pour it into the dry ingredients. Now whisk, whisk, whisk until you fully integrate the dry and wet ingredients together. I'm going to pour this into another measuring cup so that I can easily pour it out. Next thing to do is oil your donut pan. I'm using coconut oil here, but you can also use butter or another oil. Only fill up the molds 3/4 of the way with batter. Stick these in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the batter is fully baked. While that's baking, let me know in the comments below. Do you think baked donuts are just as good as fried donuts? Which one would you rather eat? Allow these to cool down completely. Be careful popping them out of the molds so that they don't break. Look how beautiful these are. These are basically cupcake batter that's been baked in a donut shape. Okay, I recommend not putting as much icing on these like I did because this icing is very sweet. Maybe only a very light drizzle, but I'll show you how I did this anyway. For light icing, I put in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk it up until all clumps have dissolved. With this consistency, you can lightly drizzle your donuts. If you want a thicker glaze, add another 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, followed by about 1 teaspoon of water. Gently dip your donut upside down on the glaze and evenly spread the icing throughout the donut using a spoon or fork. I only did this because it looks pretty, but I would only apply this thick icing to large cakes. Another option is to limit the sugar in the ube donut batter to 1/2 cup, but I still think icing this thick will be too sweet. But dang, it makes for nice photos. Enjoy these ube donuts with a side of coffee or strong black tea. It's always fun to make desserts and eat them, but always remember to please moderate your sugar intake. I want you guys to come back and watch these videos. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye!